How are you all? Welcome back. In the last video we have passed our JSON. Uh, Now we are going to create a service for to set the data in the recycle view. Okay, so let's create a service. I am going to copy paste it. Okay, so change the call list, and here the name of your parser. Parser name is service class list. And change the function name service response, and I'm going to just take a two parameter in this function. First one is URL and second one is my request key. If you don't know what is request key, and so I have already mentioned in the last video, so please go, and I have already given the link in description, so you can watch it here. Okay, now my service is ready. Now it's trying to create adapter. Adapter is here and here. Just extend RecyclerView dot adapter and adapter service adapter dot services view holder. What is service view holder? This is my public class inside my adapter. Okay, so let's create a private context. Object is here and private list your parser name, service class list and service class list. Okay, now create a constructor, alter insert constructor and pass the two things. Okay, now it's time to create. Go here and implement method and okay. Now item get list converted to your class name service class list dot get size. Okay, here we pass our layout inflator is equal to layout inflator dot form context. Here you pass the context. Okay, the view is equal to inflator. Okay, so that is when I dot layout dot card services here and none. And here we pass new our service holder column and view. Okay, why it is 0? Because I have never public class name is service view holder and extend RecyclerView dot view holder. Okay, now pass our card view items. Go to layout and okay, in this card I have a card view, an image view and text view. Okay, so I'm copy card view and here card view, go to card view and image view name is IMG service. Okay, and what is this? TV title. Okay, so text view, go to title, public your class name. Okay, public view and view super. Okay, Now card service underscore view is equal to view dot find view by id r dot id dot copy and paste it here. Okay, so all the items have been bind. Okay, so now in bind view holder we are going to bind our data with this one, that is one. Okay, so service class is equal to service class list dot get position. Now we are going to holder dot card view service. No, I don't want to image light dot with context provide context dot load service class dot get image dot into image view there is image view holder dot image server. Okay, now holder dot title dot set text service class dot get me. That's it. So here is our character is ready. Now I'm going to my home class and here I'm creating image view. Mesh parent height should be 200 dp. Okay, so source I'm just going for my testing and here's it, everything perfect. Okay, so scale type also scale type FedEx file. Okay, now I need a view view mesh parent and 200 GB and background is transparent. Here is it. Okay, so ID, pass the ID for the img is equal to banner. Okay. Now text view walk content and text how can we \n help, how can we help you today. That's it. And text size 25 sp. Background color, text color should be white. Text color white color. Okay. That's nice. And I need a edit text. I'm going to take edit text from it here. Name it search. Okay, so background, remove it. just remove that is one. Okay, and search for services, and input type is equal to text, and remove the padding. Okay, so it should be align bottom img banner, and margin bottom minus 30 dp. That's great. Okay, 30, not 30, it should be 25. Center. Okay, now pass the drawable start. I see search. Okay, drawable padding 10 dp, and padding start 10 dp. Okay, that's great. Here we go. It should be above et search, and margin bottom 50 dp, and align start with our search text box. Okay, that's great. Should be 40. Nice. Okay, so now we need a recycle view. Okay, so recycle view. Okay, so it should be a match parent, and it will be below layout below et search, and above layout above for our footer. Okay, so give a margin top 20 dp, should be at 30 dp. Oh, sorry, 25. That's not. Okay, so give ID of your recycle view. ID RecyclerView underscore service. Okay, so that's good, and I'm going to wait, visibility gone. Why I'm going to do this, I tell you later. Okay, so now I need a loader, image loader. So I'm picking up this, go to my activity. Okay, so remove that is one, and add 200 dp. Okay, so it should be a loading or good autoplay 2, and it should be below et search, and margin top is 50 dp, and remove center, replace that is one with horizontal center in horizontal 2. Okay, so it should be like that. Okay, that's great. Everything is ready. Now I am going to my home class. Here, private, edit text. It's great to copy the ID and paste. It helps you to remove your error. Private image view, and that is image banner. Copy and paste it here, image banner, and what I need, copy. Okay, and what I need, text view, don't need text, recycler view, private, recycler view, paste it here, and animation, private and load T animation view, and paste it here. Okay, so all now we have to bind our view. Okay, so et search is equal to find view by id r.id.et search, and copy paste img banner is equal to that is one, copy paste, copy paste paste. Okay, now I'm going to create my function private void load services. So service is equal to so service dot get so service, and so service dot service response. Here we pass our two parameter API utils dot base URL and our request key in text pane code utils dot get simple text body. If you don't know what is get simple text body, I have defined my previous video, so you can go to and check out what is this, and I have also defined in my previous video. Okay, so now into new callback listener. Okay, that's it. If we got error from server, so what we will do, we will our loading animation dot set visibility gone, and we will show the error toasty dot error. We will provide the first home dot this and message t dot exception. We will define the length short toast dot length dot long dot show. Okay, that's it. Now here we go. If server response successful, if server response is successful, so what will we do? Okay, now create the private list, our service class list, and we need a adapter private what is adapter name? Service adapter, and here we define the I am going to declare all my class objects and adapter. Okay, so next thing is layout manager private. I am going to use linear layout manager. You can use also grid layout manager or whatever you want. Okay, so now here we pass the service class list dot is equal to response, our server response dot body, and all the response from our server, it will be saved in our this object. Okay, so now what we do, if response service class list dot get integer index is dot get success. If our server response is successful, so meaning that is mean if response is successful, so we will show our data, else we are going to show our error. Else we are going to show our error. Copy, paste it here, and remove that is one, and we will pass here service class list dot get index 0 dot get message. It will show the error. Okay, so here we pass our set adapter function. Okay, copy that is one, and I'm going to create a new function private void set adapter. Okay, in this one, first of all, our RecyclerView visibility is gone, so we will visible. Okay, so RecyclerView service dot set visibility visible. Then we are going to set our RecyclerView. Okay, so what is that one? Service adapter is equal to new service adapter, and here we pass first of all our context home dot activity dot this. Second one is our class list. It will define here. Okay, so service class list. Okay, now RecyclerView service dot set adapter, and we will pass adapter object service adapter. Okay, now we are going to set our linear layout manager. So manager is equal to linear layout manager, and here we pass our orientation linear layout manager dot vertical. Okay, linear layout manager dot home activity dot this. What is saying? Sorry, new. Okay, so now we are going to set manager dot set orientation. So linear layout manager dot vertical, and RecyclerView our view dot set layout manager and manager. What is saying? Oh, nothing. Okay, so that's it. Everything is okay. Okay, so here our animation will be paused. So loading animation dot set visibility, boom. Okay, now we are going to just utils is online. If internet is available, we will call our function, as we will show the internet is not available, else we are going to show the error. Copy and paste it here. Show the error message, internet not available, and here we call our function load services. Okay, so that's it. All the thing working. Why showing and so get started. Okay, so got an error. So what is an error? Okay, so I'm sorry to say define my request key. That is one. Okay, now so it's cool. That is started, and here we go. So this is our data from getting our PHP MyAdmin server. All the has been set in this video. Thank you for watching. Inshallah, in next video we will filter that is one data. Okay, so take care, and if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe my channel, support me, so I will create more things for you. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.